welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for 23 in 2023. I love this project. I've been doing this for forever, since 2008 or 2009. I cannot remember which. Long before I ever had YouTube or Instagram, or, well, actually, yeah, it was before I had Instagram. Wow. Long before I was anywhere on social media. I love this. I will be doing it again next year. It's going to be crazy. It is going to be crazy. I'm doing so well with this project, and I'm very happy with that. As of last update, I think I had 19 of 23 done, and I have two more rollouts, and I'm very happy. One is a pan hit, and another one is a completely finished product. So let me get those out of the way first. I'm very, very excited about this. This is the Revolution Reloaded Provocative palette. I brought this in for 15 of my 23 products. I wanted to hit pan on all of these shades. And look at the pretty sparkly pans. The last one I needed to hit was this one right here. I hit this not long after I did my last update, and I'm very, very excited with this one. It is a nice sizable pan. I did use this once on my nails, and then I also used it on my eyes. I don't remember if it was the same day I did my nails or like the next day, and that's when I hit pan on it, and I'm very, very happy with that. So that is rolling out. This palette is rolling out. It has pan in every single shade in here. I'm excited when that happens because I'm starting to get more and more palettes that are like mostly have pan in every shade or is pan in every shade, and I'm loving that. I want my whole collection to be like that. Yeah, I will get new stuff, but I'm still going to try and hit pan in things. Moving on to the product that I finished. This is the Essence Lip Gloss. It is kind of a nudie pink shade. It does not have the sticker on it anymore, and it was gifted to me from a friend in Germany a couple years ago. 2, 3, 5, 20, 30. No, not that long. It was a few years. I cannot remember exactly when she sent it, but it is done. I pulled the stopper out and everything, got as much as I could out of it. It is one of those that just sticks to the sides. There's not a whole lot I can do about that, but I definitely do have some windowing in there. She's gone. I love it. I love it. This makes me feel so good. I now have 21 of 23 done, and I'm going to show you my last two remaining products. First one up is this LA Colors lip pencil in Sienna. I think it was brand new or maybe used once when I brought it in. It was massive, and I am making very good progress on it. I do actually have it on my lips today with a basic gloss, so you know, this is pretty much the color of it, and that is what I have left. Not a lot. If you look on the hand, it's not very far. Granted, I do have very large hands for a woman because I am very tall. I really think it's going to be done this year. I like the color, I like the formula, and it's just very easy to use. So we'll have to see. I'm going to guess 3 months, which we have, what, 4 months until the end of the year. So I might finish this a month early. We're going to have to wait and see. We are getting ready to go into fall, so we're going to have a lot of fall colors. I might be able to pull this off in 2 months if I really focus on this and use this almost exclusively. I don't know if I want to do that. I'll have to wait and see, but we'll see what the progress is next month, and we'll go from there. So that is one of 2 products left. I don't know why I always manage to put the lid on upside down on this. This is the Catrice HD Baking and Setting Loose Powder. I am making very good progress on it. I was actually at the top of that purple line. Now I'm at this white line. And you can see on this side, there's very little in there. I just use this all the time. And we're going through a heat wave here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Though just north of us, apparently they're not getting the same heat wave. We're getting it here. I think Texas might have sent it to us, and that's okay. I think Nevada needs to send the rain. I think that's what needs to happen, because Nevada's got too much rain right now, and they need to send it my way. I lived in Nevada for quite a long time, and, you know, they can share. I know they can share. I know lots of people there, and I know they would be willing to share. So send us some rain. My garden needs it. But anywho, with this heat wave, I am like super, super shiny, oily, and apparently have a hair that just jumped out on my hand. So I've been using more of this, and if that trend continues, even though allegedly we're supposed to be getting some rain here in the next week or so, week and a half, because some kind of tropical depression think it's Lee, you know, my middle name. Figures. It's supposed to be coming, and it'll probably mess up my progress that I'm making on my loose powder there. So we'll see how the next month goes. I have 2 products, and I know I'm going to continue to have a good progress on them, so I guess I probably will just continue to update monthly as long as there's progress, which I'm sure there will be, because both of these I use not necessarily daily. The powder I do. This I don't always, but I'm still going to make good progress on it. So I'm just going to update them as I have progress each month, and hopefully we'll have some rollouts, because I don't know if it's going to happen next month, but we're going to have some soon. So we'll just have to wait and see how that goes. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.